We in the building.
Okay, hold the handle now. Babe.
Guys, look what babe doing. He's struggling. She can't turn the omelet, guys.
Babe, hold the handle.
This?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna hold the handle for you. Babe, guys, we over here trying to make omelet. Are we struggling?
This pot is little. I think the pot is little.
Pot is little?
I think so. Babe, hold the pot.
Man, you strong as hell.
I'm trying to grab it without cutting it. That ain't gonna work. Babe, you just gonna have pieces, okay?
That's cool.
Alright.
What's up, BB gang? We in the building, man. We're back in another video, man. You know what I'm saying? We're back in another, well, not a cooking video, man. It's a little flog, you know what I'm saying? It is currently 10:27, bright and early, you know what I'm saying? We just decided to start a little floggy. And guys, we're probably gonna make this into like a 2-day vlog, right, baby? So today is what? Wednesday? Then we're gonna do the, what's happening? What's going on?
The stuff started coming out.
Oh, then we're gonna do another, and then we're gonna continue this vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow we might go to the pool. Hopefully that works out. Now I'm saying I know what we're doing today. As I said, guys, it's currently 10:27. Babe is going to work today at 3 o'clock. She's gonna leave me, guys, and she don't come back till damn near 12 o'clock. What the hell, guys? 12 o'clock, man. So I'm gonna be home pretty much by myself.
Baby, what plate you gonna put this in?
You got a plate?
Both of y'all get a plate. This gonna burn.
Alright, hold on.
Y'all don't talk about my omelets, okay? I ain't made it in years.
Guys, look at what the hell. Bro, what the hell is you wearing?
I'm comfortable.
What the hell? Good old omelette. You know what I'm saying, guys? Just last night we cooked, but we didn't record it. You know what I'm saying? We cooked some, I don't know if you guys can see that. Some stewed chicken, some white rice. You dig what I'm saying? Guys, we're making omelettes.
And some tea.
And some tea. Chocolate. Got the breads right here. You know what I'm saying? So join with us, guys. We cooking it up over here. You know what I'm saying? Cooking. Oh, the Javon. Wait, what is that name again? I forgot what I call it. It was a cooking with Javon vlog, but he's not by myself today. So.
Yeah, you're not by yourself today.
Ooh, guys, you can't tell that don't look good.
Ooh, put some cheese on top.
Cheese on which top?
Oh, you want cheese?
No, I want cheese.
Okay, I want cheese on top. You want these?
Let's see if Babe did a good job on these.
If it's not good, just think about the kids in Africa who can't eat.
Not bad.
Okay.
Good.
Y'all, he said that because what I said about the kids in Africa.
Oh, good.
It's good for real?
It's banging, girl.
It's banging.
This is a banging. Know what I'm saying?
Alright, baby gang. What's up? Okay, so this camera's already here. I just turned it on. Whew. So I'm making my omelet now. This is my omelet right here. And hopefully this one turns and flips better than they. But if not, then oh well, it's gonna go down the same way. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna eat omelets, and I'm gonna have me. But you eating bread?
Yeah.
Okay, we're both gonna have bread with it.
What?
No, I'm saying we're both gonna have bread with it, with our omelet.
Oh yeah, bread.
And some tea. I think it's not, babe, it's not coffee, it's tea.
It's chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa. Okay, well, yeah, babe's gonna make that. He like his hot, but I like mine's like warm, cold. I don't really like. Huh? I don't like drinking hot, unless it's tea, like tea, like green tea.
Tell us the guys that eat mine with this.
Babe nasty, y'all. He eats his.
Guys, there's nothing wrong with eating. What's wrong with eating tea with crackers?
Who eats tea with crackers? Who?
All my Jamaicans back home know about this, man.
Who eats?
With some, we can eat this with fish, you can eat this a whole bunch of things.
But with tea, babe?
Yes.
I understand it says water crackers, but it's not for, it's, how they make this? Like, why it's called water crackers?
She finna do a whole investigation.
I am, because I need to know why is it, did they make it with water?
Bruh, water.
It says water crackers. Did they, I don't know.
It's just called egg. Did they make it out of egg?
Yeah.
Oh, so they make egg out of the egg.
Oh, y'all know what I want to make? I want to make my own egg rolls. I want to go buy the egg roll paper from the store and then like get the different fillings and stuff and make our own egg rolls.
Okay.
You want to do that?
We can do it.
Y'all, if y'all want to see that video, let us know of us making our own egg rolls. I want to make a Philly steak cheese egg roll. I want to make a shrimp taco egg roll.
Shrimp taco egg roll?
Like just shrimp with like the...
Oh, you mean like the egg roll with shrimp inside of it?
Yeah.
Oh,
like,
we're going to make a, what's the name? Boudin, shrimp boudin. What's it called? Shrimp, boudin or...
Boudin.
Seafood boudin?
Yeah, seafood boudin.
Well, it's cause we made a regular boudin.
Wait, hold this. I'm about to give out. Whew, that's heavy.
She needs some milk.
Shut up. Shut this up. I just gotta be on my egg. Alright guys, for the moment we have all been waiting for. The flip. It's just too big.
Guys, look how hers come out so perfectly, man.
His omelet.
You a hater, man. You let mine break on yours so perfectly.
Babe, cause yours is bigger than mine. That's why his omelet filled the whole pot. Mine's filled a little, like I still had like a little bit of room right here to just flip it. He had a big omelet. That's cause he added more vegetables and stuff. I ain't want all that stuff.
Really, my guy?
Really now. Really. Y'all, babe, about to get ready to make that tea. Oh, pretty.
Alright, guys, I'm finna make my chocolate latte. The water is all steamed up and stuff, you hear me?
Wait, pause, babe. Let me take this out. Hold it. Let me take
Look at that stuff coming out. Look. Yo, that's a perfect omelet, bro. Like, you really disrespected me, bro. Guys, look. Yo, move that hot ass thing from me.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
Yo, you trying to break me up? Guys, look how good that omelet came out. You a hater.
Babe, that's because yours is big.
That's what she said.
Ah!
Alright guys, I'm finna, this is my cup. Yeah, I like drinking a lot of tea. Put some crackers in it. And this is babe glass right here. So this is the water. Gonna make some. Yeah. Alright.
You about to make that tea. That tea.
Chocolate.
That's my cup, right?
Here's my cup.
Okay. That's my cup right there.
What's in my cup stays in my cup. My cup. You want some more? I like to put vanilla in mine, you know what I'm saying?
I want vanilla too.
Vanilla.
I want everything you put in yours.
Vanilla. How much you want? That's it?
I don't know, babe. Put it in there.
Put it in there? You want to put it in there? Put that thing up in there?
You play to it.
Put that up in.
I can't stand you.
Hey guys, sometimes I put these in it. I don't really put this in it, but sometimes.
Oh, so you're not putting it in there this time?
Sometimes.
Got it.
Oh, they got some coffee creamer. And then now I'm gonna pour my water in there. Wait, watch out.
Watch out, little bit.
You get it, man. Oh, just get your arm.
Baby, be careful. I'm poking some more in there.
You ain't gonna drink all of it.
Yes, I am.
What's in my cup stays in my cup. My cup.
My cup. It's like chocolate milk. They keep stirring. That ain't done.
Look here, you got to make yours all you want.
Oh, disrespect.
Guys, I ain't put sugar in it. It's already sweet.
Oh, cause the coffee.
Like, literally. Already sweet. Taste yours?
Alright guys, so yeah, that's about it. That's all we making today. We're just making an omelet and we're making a I'm dark right there.
You gotta come over here for the lights.
There we go. So yeah guys, we're just making omelets and we're just gonna have some bread with it and then we're just gonna have our tea. And that's about it. That's all we're having with this breakfast. This is a quick, easy little breakfast. I didn't want to really cook that much.
No.
But yeah guys, that's all we're gonna make right now. So We'll catch y'all tomorrow at the pool.
Hopefully we make it to the pool.
Hopefully we can make it to the pool.
Hopefully.
Why you say hopefully like that? Like it's gonna be something I thought?
No.
Okay. Alright, baby, say peace.
Peace! Why am I saying peace, guys? We be right back up.
Hey guys, so it is the next day, and me and babe just came from Pyburns, and we got some. I'll show them, babe. Don't be switching mine. That's yours.
Oh, yeah. I saw the light change. Oh, I saw the light change. This is mine.
I know it's yours. You put it in this one. You always put your drink in that one. But yeah, guys, we got some Simply lemonade right here. Okay, I can't see it, but whatever. So yeah, guys, I don't know if we're still going to be able to go sit at the pool, or will we? You don't know yet.
I don't know if it's open. We gotta check.
Yeah, so if it's still open, then we'll go there. But if not, then we won't be able to go. So
we're probably going. What we're gonna do? Go get your ring changed.
We gotta get my ring fixed because I don't know. Like whenever he first got it for me, it fit and it was nothing, like no problem or nothing. But like my finger is kind of chunky now. I don't know if y'all can see it. It looks chunkier, like right around here at the top of the ring. So I think my finger got a little bit bigger and it's kind of like chafing a little bit. Like it's making my finger chafe a little bit. I don't know how to explain it, but y'all know how y'all wear something too tight and like you keep rubbing it against your skin and it like kind of like peels and then it kind of look like it's like
I can't help you.
I don't know how to explain it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, we're gonna go get my ring fixed. Hopefully they don't have to keep it too long because then I'm gonna feel empty-handed. And I always
let's make a little paper ring, you know.
Paper ring.
Yeah, paper ring. Back in high school, you used to make paper rings.
You gotta make me one, babe, because I don't know how to make it. YouTube it. YouTube will help you. And then after, I want to get another thingy. What's this called?
Oh, babe? You want to go there too, huh?
Yeah, if we have time. I want to see if I can try to get me. But they're gonna have to keep this too, huh?
The charm?
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe so.
And they gotta keep all my shit.
They don't have to. Well, I don't know.
Well, if they do, it's fine. Hopefully they'll clean it too a little bit. I don't know if it needs to be.
I know if you go to what up, James or Avery.
Yeah, James Avery.
And what? Not
Macy's?
actually. Yeah, Macy's. Yeah, they'll clean it for you. Remember we went there?
Okay. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing as of right now. I don't know if we're gonna be doing anything else, babe. You can over here. Oh.
No, I ain't in the cabin.
Okay. I don't know if we're gonna be doing anything else today, but those are what we're doing for right now. So.
Yes, guys. So we're heading home right now, currently. Oh, show them the oxtail, guys. We went to go buy some oxtail.
Bought some oxtails. It's kind of bright. There you go. They bought some oxtails. So, we eating oxtails today?
I am. I don't know what you.
I'm eating oxtails if you eating oxtails.
I got a headache.
I love oxtails. You got a headache? Take some medicine so it go away early. So yeah, guys, we'll catch y'all whenever we're at one of those places that I just told you about. So yeah, guys, we out. Bush. All right, guys. It's so bright. We have made it to James Avery. Well,
not the actual James Avery.
Yeah.
So we pulled up to the dealer and everything. See it, right? Yeah, you see guys see it? You guys get what I'm talking about.
They see it. So we're going to go inside of Dillard's. They have a James Avery inside of Dillard's. We came to this one because it was closer. We're going to try and see if they can let me put a charm on my bracelet. This is not the one that Babe bought mine from though, but just
so James Avery store is way down there. It's not that far. It's walking distance.
Walking. Not in this heat. No. So yeah, we're just gonna see that way. We're gonna see if they'll let me get a charm on this, on my charm. We're gonna see if they're gonna let me get a charm on my charm bracelet. Now, babe got me this for what, Christmas? Yeah, because it says Merry Christmas up here, I think.
Oh yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Well, we was. I think that's the break.
No, I think we was getting our stuff together. Like, we was like getting our channel and everything settled because we started in January. Yeah, so we were getting our channel together. Babe, hold this, my arm hurt. His head hurt, y'all. My poor baby. So yeah, guys, we about to walk in Rotten Mile.
So guys, we didn't get a warning in whatever that place is. Dillard's. So if we're gonna go to the actual James Avery store that's way out there, they got more stuff. Maybe we vlog, maybe we show what's going on, because I know they got more people in there and they actually play music. Because it's a small environment, so you're gonna hear the music more louder. So ooh, wait.
What?
Ooh, that bone. Guys, y'all see that?
You getting acting now.
The hell?
That's what you get for talking about me.
Ooh.
That's what you get for talking about me about acting. I break out.
You was different from me. I'm different. Ugly ass. This shit. It's big money.
Baby, they got a best friend thingy. Yeah, down there.
Oh.
Alright guys, so we just came out of James Avery. Well, actually we went to James Avery and then we went to like a cupcake place. But we was gonna get the chocolate chips from there, but it was keto. It was keto chocolate chips and we not on no keto diet, so we want all them carbs and stuff. Ooh, they watch them because they not looking where they going. But yeah, guys, so we went inside of James Avery, and as you can see, I have no charm bracelet on. So
They took it, guys.
they took my charm bracelet.
Reimbursed her.
But that's okay. I get it back tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, you was talking about Steak and Shake.
Oh, you want to look and see what they got? Okay. But yeah, so I get it back tomorrow. So I got me a charm, another charm on there. I've been saying I want to get another charm on my bracelet for since I got it in December.
You gotta get what? 40 more?
Yeah, 40 more charms. Oh my gosh.
That's a long way.
Because the lady said that you can put 2 charms on one link, like the little links. You can put 2 charms on one link. So it's about 25 links on my bracelet because I had some taken out. But yeah, so right now we're gonna go to Zales to see if I can try to get my ring altered or something. They're probably gonna take that away from me too. They want to take all my stuff. Oh my gosh. What next? My necklace? But yeah, guys, so we're just driving right now, trying to find a spot. All right, y'all. We just left out of Zales.
No ring, no what, bracelet?
No bracelet. The only thing I'm left down to is my necklace.
She's naked.
I'm naked, y'all. I feel empty, like for real. Like I feel like I have nothing on. Cause I always wear my ring to sleep, to shower, everything. I wear my ring. And she said it's gonna take 3 weeks, my guy. Why they can't just go in the back and inventory and pull out a 6.5 ring? Why they can't just do that? Did they really need to send it back to the factory or wherever they had it at and resize it or whatever? They can just go to the back and pull out a ring back there. I'm pretty sure they got some in the back. When you went and bought it, you ain't had to wait 3 weeks to get the ring, right? You got it on the spot. So why they couldn't give me on the spot? Yeah. I gotta wait 3 weeks for my ring.
3 weeks.
Yeah, guys, that was all of our shopping. Well, not shopping, but that was all of our errands we had to run today. So now we just about to go probably look for something light to eat and then go home and chillax.
Yeah, and consume some oxtail.
And consume some oxtails that babe just bought today, which is I'm ready for. haven't had oxtails in a while. I love me some oxtails.
Love me some oxtails.
I love me some oxtails.
Love me some oxtails. Love oxtails.
You so goofy. Alright guys, we'll see y'all when we get to the crib.
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 BB gang out.